Yeah, looks like everyone wanted coffee at the same time. What about that table in the corner? Hmm, it's a bit dark there. Yeah, I'd rather sit somewhere with some light. Look, how about this one? By the window. Perfect. I love the light here. And we get a nice view of the street. I love people watching. It's fun to imagine where they're headed. Like that guy over there. Maybe off to work. Or maybe late for a meeting. Haha, maybe both. Let's sit here. It's cozy. Agreed. Great spot. Hi there. What can I get started for you? Can I have a cappuccino, please? And I'll take an iced latte, thanks. Would you like anything to eat? Hmm. Yes, I'll have a slice of chocolate cake, and I'll go for a blueberry muffin. Great. I'll bring those out shortly. You always get iced latte. You never switch it up. You never change. Nope. It's my favorite. Cold, smooth, and just strong enough. I like to try something different each time. Cappuccino is my current go-to. Fair enough. But I'll stay loyal to my iced latte forever. So, how have things been with you lately? Pretty great. I just started painting. Really? That's awesome. Yeah, I take a class every weekend. Wow. Do you enjoy it? Absolutely. It helps me relax after work. I've always wanted to try painting, but I'm not really an artist. You don't have to be. It's just for fun. No pressure. True. Maybe I'll give it a try someday. How about you? Picked up any new habits? Actually, yeah. I started jogging in the park. Really? How often do you go? 3 times a week. It's tough, but I feel great after. Impressive. I'm way too lazy to run. I used to be, but once you get into it, it feels good. Maybe I should give it a try. It's healthy for sure. We could go together sometime. That sounds fun. Just promise not to sprint. Deal. We'll take it nice and easy. Got any plans this weekend? Yeah, I'm visiting my grandparents. That's sweet. How often do you see them? About once a month. They live in a small town. Really quiet and peaceful. That sounds lovely. It is. We usually cook together, eat, and just talk for hours. Sounds like the perfect break from everything. Exactly what I need. I might head to the beach if the weather stays nice. Ooh, lucky you. Do you like to swim? I do, but I mostly like walking by the water. It's so calming. Yeah, that's always peaceful. Going solo? Sometimes. Other times I bring my cousin along. Maybe I'll tag along next time. Sure. We can grab some ice cream too. By the way, read anything good lately? Yeah, I finished a great mystery novel last week. Nice. Was it good? It was so good I read it in 2 days. Wow, you read fast. I try to read every night before bed. Helps me slow down. I should do that. I usually just scroll through videos on my phone. Ah, that might be why you're not sleeping early. True, I really need to change that habit. Closing, optional, and there you have it. A full, real-life English conversation, just like how friends talk in everyday life. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to practice speaking along and re-watch to catch new words and phrases. Thanks for joining us on Podcast English Learning. Keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, English is a journey, not a race. See you next time. Hello and welcome back to Podcast English Learning, your peaceful place to learn English slowly, naturally, and for real-life conversations. Today we're diving into a friendly chat between two people catching up at a cozy coffee shop. Remember, listen carefully, repeat after them, and try speaking along. Let's begin. Hi, over here. There you are. So good to see you again. Same here. It feels like it's been forever. How long has it been? Almost 2 weeks? Way too long. We need to stop letting so much time pass. Totally. So, how are you today? I'm doing well. Slept like a baby and had a lovely breakfast. Sounds like the perfect morning. I didn't sleep much at all. Oh no, why not? Stayed up late watching a movie again. Ha! You and your midnight movies. Guilty. I can't help it. I love winding down with a film. Wow, it's pretty crowded in here today.